Hey YouTube, this is Lightning Without Thunder, and we are just wondering what the cause of this is.
Can somebody explain? I never, usually you were hear thunder at this point.
We would be able to hear it. I don't know I don't know the reasoning behind this, but can anyone please explain? Because all my life, once there's lightning, I hear thunder. But the past weeks in New Jersey, we haven't heard any sign of thunder. So can anyone please explain in the comments down below? There must be a natural cause to this.
Must be something, yeah. Because I mean, normally you would hear that.
Yeah, the past weeks.
Look at this.
The past weeks, we don't hear nothing. But like the rest of our lives, we hear something.
You see the lightning, but not no thunder. You don't hear the thunder.
There's the moon. Bye guys, please comment down below what are the main reasons for this, or is this rare, is this often where you live? Because we're just, yeah, we're confused. And bye.